Revitalize your living hall with distinctive selection of eco-friendly materials, carefully chosen for their low carbon footprint and green technology. Combine earthy elements to create a harmonious balance of elegance and sustainability. Our unique design approach incorporates uncommon materials, transforming your space into a visually stunning oasis that redefines luxury living. Experience the perfect blend of aesthetics and eco-responsibility, elevating your home's value and your well-being. Subscribe our Chanel and unlock exclusive architecture and interior design contents. Discover premium eco-friendly materials that enhance the refined ambiance of your hall, showcasing harmony between sustainability and luxury. Naturally treated hardwood flooring, handcrafted terracotta wall panels,
natural wood veneer rafters, rustic lime coat paint, natural hand-stitched jute fabric. So, now imagine a vibrant living space that nourishes both your health and the mother planet. Our unique, earth-inspired designs combine elegance and sustainability, creating a haven for well-being.